My bad, guys. Sorry. Take it.
On March 30th, 2025, Flagler County deputies responded to a domestic disturbance call after a mother reported that her 19-year-old son was destroying the house, threatening to kill her, and armed with a knife. But when deputies arrived at the Palm Coast home, the situation escalated even further after the teen allegedly threatened to stab any officer who entered the residence.
Ma'am, what's going on? What's going on?
He's in there tearing my house apart right now.
Okay, is he threatening you? Is he threatening anyone else?
Well, Tori's in the bedroom with the dog, but yes.
She can't leave the house?
If she does, well, he's breaking down the door in the room she's in now, so she was locked there, but he won't hurt her.
He's breaking down the door she's in?
Yeah, because
Why?
Because that's what he's doing. He's just destroying the house.
Wait, is he trying to attack her?
No, not at all.
So why is he trying to break down the door?
Because that's what he told me he would do if the dog was in there.
She can't come outside?
Yeah, I'll go.
No, hold on.
Oh, wait, I'll text her. Wait a minute.
Where is he right now?
My bedroom is behind the garage.
Is he in his bedroom right now?
No.
He's
in
not.
the middle of the living room.
And he still has a knife in his hand?
I don't know. Last time I saw him, he did.
Alright. Can you call your roommate?
Yeah.
Not answering? Did he get physical with you at all or anything like that?
Almost.
Almost?
Yeah, that's what I told him.
What did he do?
No, I mean, threatened to.
Okay, he's just being like verbally aggressive with you?
Yeah. I just wanted to make sure the dog's still in the room. I mean, she won't attack and she'll come running. Why don't you wait right here? Dog.
Hey, you want me to let Luna loose?
Chris! Are you Chris?
You want
No.
I'm at the back door now.
Where's the back door?
Right now.
He had a knife in his hand.
if any cop enters here?
Alright, we don't want that.
Do you have any guns in the...
The only thing was,
Man, you can just step back. Hey, let me see your hands.
Can't close the door.
Alright, let me see your hands. Alright, turn around. Spin around. Alright.
Alright. What time's all over? Chris,
Yeah,
I want you to walk back with your hands up in the air.
I think I'm good.
Stand
No,
by while we start.
I'll stay like this. If you touch me, just so you know.
Where's Chris?
I'm good.
But the situation was about to get even worse.
Where's Chris?
I'm Chris.
Where? Oh. My bad, guys. Sorry. Taser. Clear taser! On the ground now! One resisting. Get on the ground now! Oh, clear for taser, guys, and you go.
I'll stop.
Put everybody back down and get tased! Now! You're gonna get tased. You got it, bro. Good?
You were good.
210. One secured. Hold the channel while we check on the roommate.
1232, one secure.
If he kicks again, take him to the ground. Take him to the ground. To the ground. Just carry him. Knife right here. Whose car is closest to bring the car over? Go get your car.
You did that. You're the one that handcuffed
If you
me.
kick again,
Kiss the camera, handcuffed. Oh, my right shoulder. Oh.
you got his legs, fella?
Oh. Oh.
Bring your car right into the driveway.
Please, I'll do whatever you say from now on. Can you please fix my handcuff, my shoulder? Please, I promise.
There's a patrol car in your driveway. We're going to stand you up. If you kick again, you're going to get dropped to the guard. Then do not kick again, understand me? Or you get dropped again.
Please, can you fix my handcuffs so my
No.
shoulders?
You want to kick and punch us? I'm not doing anything for you right now until you calm down. Is that clear?
No, I promise I'll calm.
Listen to my commands. When I let you up, you're going to walk to the car.
Okay.
If you kick me again, you're getting dropped and tased.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Bring him up.
I'll get it.
Are we good inside? It's all right, 275 there.
Where did the knife come from?
Out of his pocket. My bad. I didn't know you. I thought you had him secured.
No, I said we're trying this.
My bad. That's my fault. Charlie, 275 there.
It's on the front.
Clear the channel. Male secured in the patrol vehicle. Who else did he hit? The kick.
After deputies finally secured Chris, they went inside to figure out what had caused the chaos.
Alright, and I just want to make sure he didn't get physical with either.
No.
He's just causing disturbance, banging, tearing stuff up.
Threatening us, yeah, threatening with us with the
I was
knife.
literally in that closet, shaking the whole time, telling her, get them the f- in here,
Yeah.
because I don't know what she's going to do.
Okay.
He's trying to lead down that door.
At any point, did
And
you
then-
ever put hands on her or threaten her?
No. So when he picked up the knife,
Yeah.
he said, if you call the cops and when they get here, I'll
Gotcha.
so he never made a threat to her.
Okay. And then
Yeah, I
we
was
show
right.
up and
He threatened me. I asked her.
you did?
Yeah. We were fighting in the beginning of the fighting.
What did he say?
While he was holding the knife?
No, you didn't have the knife yet.
I didn't witness
Okay.
any of that because I was hiding in the closet.
She was in the closet.
I was fucking scared.
Okay.
When he had the knife, were you in fear that he was going to hurt you with it? Or did you think that he was capable of harming you with it?
Yes.
Okay.
And himself. Definitely.
Well, definitely himself, but
Yeah.
I'm more concerned about you right
Yeah,
now.
that's
So
when
you were.
I came out. I told her to lock the door in the
I don't even
bedroom.
know if he knew that I was in there.
Okay.
But, I mean,
So did you witness him holding the knife, make that threat to her?
no.
No,
I
he
did
didn't.
not.
He
I
didn't
said I
have the
did
knife
not
when he
see
made
that.
the threat to me.
You did make the knife, he made the threat to make the knife?
No, when I
I
went
heard
when
him
I went
say
to call
that,
the
but-
cop, when I went to call you guys, that's when he grabbed the knife and went to his bedroom and said that he was gonna fine call them because as soon as they come in here to get me, I'm just gonna.
We're gonna go with the DV assault with a
TV aggravated
that's,
assault.
yeah, DV assault with deadly weapon because he said even though she says I'm gonna kill you, she's in fear.
She was in fear that
Then he
he
grabbed
was
the
going
knife,
to
like Football was saying to me, he had all the means to do it. So we'll go with that, and then 3 counts of
Yeah.
we list ourselves as the victims, just put our names, the sheriff's office address, our dates of birth.
So this one's going to be for you, and this one's going to be for you. They're both kind of the same. At the top, you'll fill out your personal information, your address, a good phone number, date of birth. And then for you, you'll skip this line and just starting writing down what you saw and heard. Just be sure to mention the part where you heard him tell her that he was going to kill her. And then for you, it's going to ask you, it's like 13 questions, yes or no. Just fill them out to the best of your ability.
Okay.
And then you'll skip down and just start writing your statement, okay? And if you guys have any questions, I'll be in my car for about 1 minute. I was trying to take him to get a desk. I told him. You told him now?
No.
And I told him no.
Yeah.
And he went.
Okay, right now. Oh,
That's all right.
I probably, yeah. I meant to say no.
Said no, and he went on a rampage, punching walls, screamed, threatened me by saying he would kill me. Then I told him I was calling sheriff, and he grabbed a knife and said he would kill the sheriff. When I said put the dog in the bedroom, he said if I locked her, and he would break down the door.
Yeah.
Okay. And this was all in like consecutive when
Yes.
he threatened to kill you. Then you said that you'd be calling the sheriff. Then he said, then that's right after that he picked up the
more
knife.
words, but I don't think you want to
Okay.
hear all the words.
So really, what got him upset was that he wanted to go get a desk with you, and you told him no.
Yeah, I told him no, not until the house was finished, and
Okay.
I wasn't putting any more furniture in.
All right. Do y'all have any questions? So he's going to be going to jail for the aggravated assault against you for threatening to kill you and then picking up. Then he's also going to go to jail for 3 counts of battery on law enforcement, which are all felonies, and resisting with violence as well, which is also a felony, okay?
Was he tased?
No, he wasn't. He was very close, too, but...
I know, I went and got the other sheriff.
Yeah. It was very close.
Yeah.
Luckily, me and the other deputy were already kind of on top of him, so...
It's a big boy, I know.
Yeah, he is a big boy. All right. If y'all have any questions, the case number is on those brochures. So you can call in, just say you have questions or, anything like that.
In the end, Christopher Conti was charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, 3 counts of battery on law enforcement, and resisting an officer with violence. According to the report, he later began striking his head against the patrol vehicle partition while threatening self-harm during transport to jail. If you enjoy videos like this, like, subscribe, and check out the next story.